Welcome to Travel Clips. Today we are in Valpo to check out the Harvalem Waterfall. Really lovely place and really easy to visit as well. Let's go. Getting to the waterfall involved a long drive. Since I stay far away in South Goa, we came to this beautiful green road, but when we didn't get to the waterfall, it was a quick walk there. Right now I'm going down a set of steps, a bit slippery, but this is a rather different view of the waterfall. You can see the water just ahead of me. I'll just swap the camera and show you. I see one little temple over here, and that's the entrance to it. I'm not sure of the name of the temple, but I put it on the text box below. It's already been part of the waterfall, but now let's go to see the main waterfall. And after climbing a few stairs, we did eventually get to the waterfall, and it was crazy. I mean, the steam coming out of the waterfall was so hilarious. I ended up getting completely wet. That was the pressure of the waterfall.
You got me doing things I never thought I'd do.
And that's how you come to a waterfall in Goa. It's a steam coming out of it. It's absolutely insane and compared to nothing else in the world. This is the beauty of the waterfalls in Goa. If you come during the month, you see the steam, the kind of pressure, only because of the waterfall. This is Harvalem waterfall for you. And I've just come back from having bath at the waterfall without really having bath. Joke apart, this is how you come back from a waterfall in Goa, completely wet. So if you visit, do remember, carry a change of clothes and a towel, because if the pressure is too much, you're going to be having completely wet. But that's the beauty of the waterfalls in Goa, and Harvalem has always been the easiest to access waterfall. Meanwhile, talking about accessibility, there are these stairs that lead you straight up to the bus stop in case you like to walk up or climb up these heavy stairs. So, where else do you go after Harvalem? On your way to Harvalem, when you're heading down into Harvalem, there's this place here that you will see. It's called Pandava Caves. It's a very famous place. We skipped it because we wanted to go to the waterfall, and apparently I decided to get wet first. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Unfortunately, it's locked, so we can't go in. But we'll give you a sneak peek from the outside. So many of you all will say this is called Harvalem Cave and I call it Pandava Cave. Well, I think it's more or less called the same. I'm not really sure. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think about it. Here's another view from the inside, and yep, that's my car over there with the other gang, and a little rainy here, but got a long drive home. So
2,000 years later.
many of you all will say, how do you get here? Well, the best way to come, you have public transport buses heading into Walpoi, buses heading into Honda. Yeah, buses heading to Walpoi basically. You can come here and then get off at a stop. Tell the bus driver, the conductor, or the attendant to drop in Harvalem Waterfall, and then it's a 15-minute walk here. But the best way to come would be by public transport, by your personal car or your personal vehicle, because public transport in Goa is really not up to the mark. And yeah, it's pretty much open on all of the days, so pretty interesting enough. Then guys, we are done with the video. I have no idea how am I going to get home. I have about hour and a half drive back into home, heading home. So it's going to be pretty bad, but that's how it is. Come prepared, get your stuff, and let me know in the comment section below. Did you like the steam enough, or you wanted more steam to completely spoil my gear? Please comment down, and if you have visited this waterfall, let me know your experience. Like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for a lot more videos coming your way soon. Till then, travel vlog, signing off. Bye bye.